Okay, here we are. Today I'm going to show you an R&R project. We move and replace a refrigerator, an RV refrigerator that we replaced about 1.5 years ago with a residential model. And we'll go inside here in a minute and I'll show you what we're up against. But I wanted to show you in the back here how I actually mounted this refrigerator to make sure it wasn't going to roll out and I would be able to transport it. And basically all I did is I took these two screws out right here, this one here. I drilled a hole in the base of the refrigerator here, and it's metal, and then I just put the screw down into the deck of the hole. And I've only got 2 screws in here. Here's the other one, and all I did is basically drill that hole in the metal, and again, screw it down. But there's the back of it. This is a Sunnybrook RV, and it's a 33 RKFS light aluminum superstructure. It's a nice fifth wheel RV, all fiberglass, real pretty. We like it, well built, and let's go inside and take a look to see what we're up against.